Hi guys, so the question is the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away foot of the tower is 45 degree. The height of the tower in meters is. So now in the question we are given with the angle of elevation which is 45 degree and also the distance of the tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter, and we have to determine the height of the tower. So in order to do so, we must first draw a diagram. Here is the diagram, and now we will be using trigonometry to solve the question. We now know that tan theta is equal to height upon base, and according to the diagram, tan 45 will be equal to AB, which is my height, upon BP, which is my base. Now we know that tan 45 is equal to 1 and BP is given as 30 meter. Thus, the height of the tower, that is AB, will be 30 meter, giving us the correct answer, option B.